start again. What day is it, ladies and gentlemen?
Friday.
Welcome to day number 5, cohort number 3, Feria Labs Pathfinders online training 2025. That's a lot. First we code and then we soar with Python. So you know what every morning starts off with, right? Get those thumbs all warmed up. I hope I see multiple thumbs up. Even put the toes up as thumbs.
Favorite vacation destination?
Friday!
So our agenda for today, I have my ways.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Hi everybody, I'm Monique Davis.
How you would use the Codex with the Code Air.
So this is about grant writing. I actually started my first year teaching writing grants just because I noticed there was things my kids needed and I needed and we didn't have it. So I went and found a grant and started writing.
But thank you all for stepping up to the plate and doing some amazing things. And thanks for being teacher heroes.
I am.
A teacher hero. Amazing. We love you all. Thank you for what you do.
We love you all.
Thank you so much.